Hello everyone. We are heading towards the other side of the river. We are walking alongside the elevated train. The train seems to be passing pretty often, so hopefully I will be able to catch it so I can show you. My husband and I are walking to the riverboat tour, and if you saw in my previous video, I already went on this tour with my parents, but my husband has yet to experience this, so I get to do it again, which I don't mind because it was quite an enjoyable experience. Take a look at the structure of the elevated train tracks. It's nice and sturdy, completely made of steel. This view never gets old. I bet a lot of the Chicagoans, which are the residents of Chicago, are very active even in the winter when it's really cold. Chicago is also known as Windy City, and today is a bit more windy than the last few days. Because I was hauling heavy suitcases and backpacks, I kinked my neck, which basically means I hurt my neck, so it's difficult to turn it side to side. If you take a look at that cylindrical building to my left, you will see some interesting cutouts on the edges. The bottom third of the building are where they valet cars, and because it's a little difficult to park the car on your own, they require the valet service to park the car for you. And the other thing I remembered about this building is they also park boats and yachts on the bottom floor, obviously in the water. It's a lot busier today because it's the weekend. I totally forgot about that. Hello. We are looking to check in to the boat tour.
You already have tickets?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. 3 o'clock?
Yep.
Dock 3, Orange Umbrella. They'll board you guys at like 2. Should be boarding now, actually.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
We are heading to Dock 3, Orange Umbrella. I am riding with a different company this time. It's called Chicago's First Lady. It's a lot busier today, but we have the priority pass. So let's see if we can, okay, looks like we are cutting in front of everyone. Earlier today, I told my husband it was probably not necessary to get the fast track, and I'm totally wrong. We are on board. So glad you got the fast track pass. Otherwise, we would still be in line with all of those people. We just finished the riverboat tour, and now we are at a steakhouse that has like a speakeasy vibe. It's called BoAi. My lovely friend is the manager here, so I'm very excited to see her. I haven't seen her since her move from Los Angeles. I am going to order a non-alcoholic beverage called a Paloma, which is citrus-based. I've decided for my main course, I'm going to order a filet mignon with a side of buttery mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts. My husband is also getting a filet mignon. He ordered a Japanese whiskey. I will show you once the meal arrives. We received our drinks, and I'm going to let my husband describe his drink.
This is called the Tokyo, and it uses Japanese whiskey and Japanese sugar, and it's a Japanese version of an old-fashioned.
It comes with a garnish of cherries and orange rind with a large ice cube. I got a non-alcoholic Paloma, which has an herbal tequila type of drink, so it's not real tequila. My drink also comes with an orange rind, and I think it has seltzer water. Cheers! Clink. The food has arrived. We got our filet mignon with a side of béarnaise sauce. I got a roasted tomato and some watercress greens. We have our buttery mashed potatoes, and they actually mistakenly brought us some mushrooms, so we need to flag down our server because we were supposed to get Brussels sprouts. Bon appetit. We're here for my husband's birthday. He does not like surprises, but my friend, the manager, brought this lovely surprise out. And now he's going to make a wish and blow out his candle. Woohoo! Happy birthday! So we have caramel ice cream. My friend said to eat this with this. I don't know what this is.
Wow.
Ooh, one of my favorite songs is on right now. Does anyone know this song? It's by the group called The Internet. Comment below if you know the song.
And it is your birthday too, right? Yeah. Okay. I don't know if I wished it earlier.